Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and change the thumbnail for your Roblox game. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, once inside the official website of Roblox, you want to go ahead and click on create, and once inside create, you want to click on your dashboards. Once inside dashboards, you will then go ahead and see your created game. In my case, it's going to be this one, so you want to click on it, and from here you can then go ahead and click on places. Left click on your game once more, and you will go ahead and see the thumbnail sections. From here we can then go ahead and upload image, video, and auto generated image. To upload an image, you want to click on the upload image button, and from here you can just go ahead and select any image that you wish to upload. Right after, you want to click on submit, and that specific image that you have uploaded will be your game thumbnail. So you can just go ahead and add an alt text to this specific thumbnail, and from here you want to go ahead and click on save changes. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.